Hello guys, ladies, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a leaking radiator. So what happened was last night, I don't know if it's my radiator was losing cooling, and yeah, I got no cooling right now, and about a week ago I put mild coolings in it. So I know I got a leak down there for a fact, but I saw a flame coming right here, so probably got a leak right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to be taking it out and going to try to fix this leak. If it can't be fixed, we're probably going to replace it anyway. So I'm going to replace it soon, but yeah, alright, let's do this. You replace the radiator, or you're thinking of taking it out of the car, make sure you remove all the cooling. There's a cooling thing down there. You could just slide your bucket, then you take it out. And what else you're gonna need to do is unscrew it. There's a screw right here, a screw right here, and a screw right here. Then you could take, that's it. The rest you just got to take out the fan when it's outside. So let's speed this up. You could see the thing right here. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, that's where you could unloose it and let the oil drain. So yeah, so let's get this shit started. Oh boy. Oh wait. Okay. I don't think that was recording, but I got the radiator out. What I'm gonna do now is go home and put some water in it. Let's do it. So after you guys kind of taking it out, you make sure you tape the bottom so the water doesn't go in the bottom. Don't worry about that. If you have a automatic, this is not used. The only thing that's the engine uses is the bottom. I mean manual is the bottom, the top. That's it. That's the only thing. Only automatic use these two. So yeah, right now we're going to fill this up with water and hopefully find out where the leak is. If it's leaking pretty bad, I'm gonna have to change it, buy a new one. But if it's not, I'm just gonna fix it. So let's get this shit started. Then I find the leak, guys. There's the leak. Ugh, goddamn, that is a big boy right there. You see it? So this is what was leaking. Right now we're going to try to I guess, damn, fuck, water all over me. Okay, so we're just gonna glue it and all that stuff. So yeah, I should weld it. Yeah, I'm gonna weld this thing. So yeah, we're just gonna weld it in. So I find the spot where it was leaking. It's right there. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to be welding it with these. So that should hold on about a week or two or months or so, depends. So this is where it's leaking right there. So you could see it. I'm gonna find out how it leaked though. So we gotta fix that too. So first we gotta fix this. Shit. Nope. That is not what I was expecting. Wait, it's not even sticking to in there. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. I mean, it kind of did. Damn, that's the worst welding ever. Oh God. So I don't know if this is gonna last long. I don't think it will. Let's give it a. Man, that look ugly. I did this so you could get into the hole and shit. So yeah, now we're gonna let it see for about 15 minutes and try to put water in it and see what happened next. So as you guys could see, it worked. It worked. It's not leaking no more. So yeah, that is good. Oh shoot, the water is coming from up here, if you were wondering. So that's a easy quick fix. Right now I'm just gonna like put it in, and yeah, that would probably last me around like a month or so. So it's good now. So yeah, now let's put it back in the car. Now guys, we fixed the problem. Right now we need to find what's causing it. So I'm pretty sure it's this, because this is not attached to anything, but in the bottom it's good, but on top it's not good, because if the car hit a bump or something, this would go back. So this is most likely how he hit it. So I'm just going to try to find something to hold this like this, and probably, yeah, just like this, so you could have enough for not to hit the radiator. So yeah, wish me luck. So right now Mr. Zip Tie came through, and that nigga helped me out right here. So I just got the zip tie holding it. It's sturdy. So for the other side, I'm just gonna do the same thing too. And this is not permanently, so I'm just gonna do this for now. Then when we take the radiator out, because I'm going to put a new one for a new project. You guys gonna know soon. So yeah, I'm going to do the other side too. This side's kind of loose. This side is hard, as you could see the difference in this side. So yeah, Z-tie came through, and yeah, let's finish this thing up. So right now I put everything back together. I just got to put some coolant in, and hopefully the car is not overheating or anything. So yeah, that should be fine. So, and this is how you weld something. You could definitely see it right there. So yeah, and this is the thing. So this is the what's it called, the AC coolant thing, whatever. So yeah, yeah, this is, it's sturdy, it's alright. And right now we're going to see if I have the same issue. So I got the coolants in there, and everything seemed to be fine. Nothing is leaking or anything. So that's a good. Oh shoot, that's a good stuff. So right now I'm just gonna start the car and see. I don't think this is going to unweld. It seemed pretty fine. Hey, everything looks okay. So yeah, let's start the car and see. Well, everything seems to be perfect, and which is good news. I could see it's not leaking, which is good, and flame is not coming out or anything. I'm just gonna let it see for about a minute or so, straight from Japan, boys. So yeah, I got this done myself. You can touch it and you not get burned. I did this myself. I forgot to do a video about it, but you know, it looks sick as hell. So yeah, there it is. This is how you repair a leaking radiator. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.